Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from XIAOMI 14 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to set it up, tap on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then click on Close in white pop-up at the top. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of XIAOMI and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on XIAOMI, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple of them, just for example. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. And finally decide which connection way you want to use. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers. Then hit Receive. If you wish to scan this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Lastly, just wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!